Hi, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be looking at a 2018 Dodge Ram 3500 single rear wheel pickup truck. We put a 2-inch zone off-road leveling lift on the front of the truck with some 20x12 Moto 962 wheels with a negative 44mm offset and a chrome finish with some 35 1250 R20 Fury Country Hunter RT tires in a 12 ply. If you want more information on this tire and wheel package, please watch the wheel matchup video that's linked at the end of this video. Tips and tricks on this zone off-road leveling on the front, it's a piece of cake. Really, you just have to put a spacer on top of your spring and that's about it. So you disconnect your sway bars, disconnect your shocks, raise the truck up, throw your spacer in, bolt it up there, put the spring back on, lower it back down, connect your shocks, connect your sway bars, you're good to go. Besides that, you'll need an alignment and then you'll have a 2-inch level on the front of your truck. So if you have any questions, please feel free to leave us a comment, shoot us an email, or give us a call or text at 833-268-2577. Also, if you want any of these parts, whether it's the tires, the wheels, the level, some rails, maybe some fender flares, maybe a bumper, I don't know, anything you could think of for your vehicle, go to our website, central-alps.com, and let us get your parts shipped out today. Also, if you're looking at this truck and you're saying, Michael, I love this truck. It is a white 3500 1-ton Laramie with a level and 20x12s. It's everything that I wanted. Can I buy this truck? The answer is yes. We're gonna start posting the vehicles that we've built for our dealers that they have in their inventory on our website. So you can go to our website, central-alps.com, and go to the inventory page, and it will pull up all of the vehicles that are currently for sale at dealers' lots that we have built. And the hope is that you can find your perfect truck, Jeep, Tahoe, whatever. Go to the dealer's website and go buy it today. So again, my name is Michael with Central Alps. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. Have a great day.